Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you all can make thousands of dollars depending on how serious you actually work. I'm going to be breaking these down in bits, but first of all, what I'm going to be showing you guys here is going to blow your mind. We're actually going to be doing drop servicing, and if you don't know what drop servicing means, I'm still going to show you guys right now, right here in this video. And what I'm going to be doing is gonna really blow your mind, guys. So the only thing you've got to do is just to like this video to get to more people, and also subscribe if you're new here. And literally what I do on this channel is that I go out there, I source for what works, and I bring it back to this channel so that you guys can do it and make results for yourself. And I'm the million Audu, and I create content while I make money online, as I already said in this video. So what I'm going to be showing you guys right now is actually the drop servicing strategies. What I call the drop servicing I'm still going to show you guys in a bit. I'm going to be showing you guys right now on my system, as you guys can see on my screen. So let's get into the video on how to actually make this whole cash for ourselves. So let's go, guys. Welcome back from that short break, and let's get into the tutorial on how to actually do this to make a whole lot of cash for yourself. So first of all, this is Fiverr, and if I go to Fiverr right now and I search for buy Instagram followers, so let's click on this suggestion and let's see how it goes. So it's loaded up. Okay, it's still loading up. Okay, give it a while, guys. So as it is actually loading up right now, let's just wait for it a bit so we can go flow together and we make that whole impact which we want to actually make for ourselves. Yes, guys, so this is Fiverr and it's already loaded up, and as you can see, these are different gigs, different people that are ready to give you Instagram followers. This is $5, $40, different gigs, different people who are literally going to be giving you guys. But if you actually contact them, they will tell you the price and how they actually do it for themselves, because not really how they do it, but how the pricing is and how many how many followers they are going to be giving you guys. And I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can do it in a bit. So let's open a new tab right now and let's search for, okay, so let's just open Facebook. And okay, so this is Facebook right now, and this is my account. Okay, I am going to be showing you guys how you can do this for yourself. So let's go to create new group, where, okay, so this is create new group. You can actually create a page, but a page will not actually work, because I think a group will actually be perfect for this job. So when you create a group right now, so that more people can actually join the group and be um I follow you up immediately. So this is actually, let's just type in what he wants, the title of the page, sorry, the title or anything you want to actually name it. You can name it anything. So I'm just gonna name it Swift. What should I name it? Swift Instagram follow or something. Let's just name it anything. Okay, so I named it Swift Instagram followers. So you just come here to change it to public, and you don't really need to add anyone. I'm not gonna add anyone. Let's just click on create and see if the group is gonna be created or not. Let's just give it a while as it is already loading up. And okay, boom, guys. So this group is already loaded up, and I'm just gonna go to another tab again right now. Please note that this is what I'm doing, and note what I'm doing so you guys can actually follow me up. Okay, so as I just go into my Google Chrome and search for buy Instagram followers, so you go to the image section. You go to the image section, and we want to actually download images for, so that the images which you can actually use for the group, so you guys can actually see it for yourself. So this is actually a way of getting traffic to your drop servicing business, because people are the one that will actually pay you to actually get more Instagram followers. I am just using Instagram followers as a case study, guys. You can actually do it with anything. Drop servicing can be done with anything. So I'm downloading this image that I say is actually cool, and let's go back to the page, right, the group right now, and see if it can actually be compatible or not, because you need to know the size. But I didn't really check the size, so let's see if it will actually go. So go to upload media, and please know that you can actually do it with your phone also. So let's go to where the image is actually, okay, so this is the image right now, and I click on it and I click on open. So let's see how it's gonna look. Oh wow, it says try another different image. Okay, so it need 400 pixels to 150 pixels. Okay, let's do, let's, okay, 400 by 150. How would I even know? Okay, let's try another one out. I don't know, let's just try another one out. And if you don't, if you can't actually, if none of them actually works here, I'm still going to show you guys where you can get it, or where you can actually create it by yourself. So it's better you actually create it by yourself and do the stuff by yourself. So let's go to another new tab again and search for Canva. Yes guys, so Canva is what is a graphic designing place or space where you can actually create any form of graphics designs for yourself, even using the free plan, guys. Okay, so this is Canva right now, and I am just going to be waiting for it to load up, and we are going to be using it to create logos for ourselves. So literally we don't really need to you don't really need to see the full stuff of it, because I don't want this video to be very very long. Image will not make me to actually make this video long. We don't need to actually make it long. Okay, let's try this new image. Okay, it says try new image. Let's just create a new image on Canva. So if you go to Canva right now, and let's go to this logo space. Okay, so there's a space bar right there, and you just search for logo, and then you put in the size. So I think that size, they said 400 x 150, I think so. Okay, so something like that. So you just put in the size which you want to actually do, and you just create the new Canva graphics by yourself. Just create the logo by yourself, and you can actually do that for yourself. So let's go to the Facebook page right again, and this is actually it. Just make sure you actually do it well, and you will actually drive traffic to yourself. So keep on posting that you actually sell Instagram followers, blah 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 and blah. So let's show you guys how you can actually, when you maybe you get people to actually, or you can actually create a Fiverr gig also. And okay, so what we're going to be using is Daily. So Daily is actually a crowdsourcing outsourcing site. So the link is going to be in the description box below, where you can actually use to sign up. It's my affiliate link. Please don't forget to use it to sign up if you're new here, if you're new on Daily, if you don't know about Daily. Okay, so I'm just going to be logging into my account right now. Give it a bit. Okay, so it's loaded up, and you can actually make money on Daily by performing little tasks, but that's not what we actually came to do here. Maybe we'll leave that one for another day. So as you can see here, this guy says it's actually going to pay me 400 naira to actually sign up, just to sign up on Kuda. Yes, just to sign up on Kuda. And kindly follow my Instagram page for 10 naira. Kuda. So there are different space, but what we actually want to do is go to post job. Yes guys, so when you click on post job right now, it's gonna load up. Okay, so it's loading up, giving a while, and here it is guys. And let's scroll down a bit. So what you've got to do is just to click on all, because you want to actually hire all people. So let's say these guys are going to pay you $100 per 1,000 followers. That's the best price which you need to actually put if you're a freelancer online. So these are actually big guys who will actually pay you that amount of money. So if you're actually getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and that's it guys. So let's go to Instagram micro influencer. Okay, so this is it here, Instagram micro influencer. So just click on it right now, and let's go to the next space, which we're going to be choosing what we need, which is actually follow, to follow the Instagram page. So I click on follow and just scroll down a little bit again, and this is gender. This is gender, and you can actually click gender to change it up if you want all male or female, but I need all people, all that, all gender, but depending on what your client actually wants. Yes, so you just put in the amount of followers which you want, which is 1,000 followers, depending. This is just okay, so you pay them 10 naira per stuff, and days to approve, just change it to 5 days. And you don't need to for screenshots, just their handle is okay. Their Instagram handle is actually it's actually okay. So as you can see here, just put in the job title, which is Instagram follow, or anything you just need to do. Let's highlight it and make it highlight it to make it capital letters. Okay, so I have highlighted Instagram. Okay, so Instagram follow, and let's go to job details, and let's see, type in something. So this is actually a full video on how to actually do this for yourself, so you guys can make results for yourself guys. So this is literally what you need to do, and this is actually a case study about drop servicing. So let's please follow my Insta page. Okay, so I'll make it bolder a little bit, and let's go to inputting the link. So let's go to okay, so Instagram. Okay, I'm just putting this one as a case study, guys, please note. And let's go to required proof. Just put in anything, just tell them maybe their Instagram username or something. So let's type in something, your okay, your Instagram username. So just something like that is actually cool. And let's go to approval. So you just click self approval, so you're the one that will approve it yourself if it's actually cool or not, and you just click on post job, and that's it. So let's calculate our earnings and see the profit which we can actually make by $100, charging clients $100 to actually do the job for them and giving them 1,000 subscribers on Instagram. That's 1,000 followers on Instagram. So let's check it out and see for ourselves. So let's go to our calculator, guys, and let's see for ourselves. Okay, so okay, guys, so this is it. And okay, so let's choose, okay, 1,000 followers, right? I think, sorry, let me highlight this a little bit. Okay. Okay, so we want to just calculate this, the earnings. We want to calculate how much we can actually make for ourselves. So you guys can actually see what we are doing here. That it's not actually a joke. We are gonna make a whole lot of money. We are gonna be making cool cash for ourselves. So let's check it out. We are gonna be charged 11,200 naira. So let's choose 11,200 naira. Oh, sorry. So let's say we charge them $100, which is actually 58,000 plus, or let's just say 58K or something. I don't know, but let's just say 58K, depending on how the price is for that moment. So let's click on, okay, so 58. Okay, so this 58K minus the amount which we were. So guys, 58K minus 11,200 naira. Okay, so 11,200, and wow, guys, we're making 46,800 naira as profits. Wow, guys, this is lit. This is amazing, guys. So that's it. When I see drop servicing is actually the best thing to actually do right now. It's actually the hottest gig online. That's just the truth, guys. Drop servicing is actually the coolest thing to do online. So guys, this is my YouTube page, my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as Dominion Audu. All my social links are going to be in the description box below. Follow your boy on Instagram, follow your boy on Twitter, and that will be all for this video. I'm sure you guys learned a lot, guys. I'm sure you guys learned a lot. And please don't just watch this video because you aren't making money by watching video, but you're making money by implementing. So when you actually learn what I'm showing you guys, so that's it for this video, and peace out.